Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be trending into a hazardous territory because when the man, the myth, the beard, the single-handedly revived Yash, the rocking star decides to drop a trailer, you don't just watch it, you're going to watch it with full radiation coverage because of the sheer movie he made. Toxic. Now, if you think it's just KGF Chapter 3 in a different costume, then दिमाग से ये गलत फहमी निकाल दो. So, ever since KGF wrapped up and Rocky Bhai sank into the ocean with the gold bars, the entire country has been asking one question. अब यश भाई क्या करेंगे? Will he do a romantic comedy? Will he be a soft IT engineer? Absolutely not. Yash looked at the world and said, let's give them a fairy tale for grown-ups. And who is directing this masterpiece? Geetu Mohandas. Looks like a cross between an absolute monster and a graphic novel anti-hero. The aesthetic of the movie is giving a full noir vintage carabet. Also a very dark, twisted Wonderland theme. I think इस पूरे movie में Yash का aura is on different level. So last time when I made the reaction on the teaser, it was pretty hard hitting. So now let's not waste any more of our time and let's react.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
Daddy?
आपकी बात मानूंगा मैं गुस्सा मत करो I promise I promise
Oh my goodness.
चेहरे पे नकाब डालकर अपने गम को छिपा सकते हो लेकिन तकदीर में लिखी बर्बादी को नहीं मैं आपको छोड़कर नहीं जाऊंगा माँ वो मुझसे नफरत करते हैं
Oh my goodness.
You're haunting me,
It's definitely a dual role.
just like
तुम्हें इस शहर पर राज करना है
मेरी सिटी में आकर मेरे फैमिली को हाथ लगाया
I think it has a lot of action and it is a very dark themed and something that shows that Yash is already a monster as a father. And Kiara herself, she's not in senses, and the child is going through traumas. And that smile that he gave during the shot was bone chilling. Entire aesthetic of the movie is very dark and gives a very negative and uneasy vibe.
कोई आखिरी ख्वाहिश
ज्यादा कुछ नहीं तेरे भाई को जला के उसकी राख से लाइन बना के अंदर खींचना चाहता हूँ खींचने देगा
What dialogues!
इश्क ऐसा करता हर लड़की को लगता चांद उसी के चक्कर लगाता है
Got a light?
लेकिन कमीने का दिल नो हर बंधन से परे
He's playing proper playboy character.
आजाद
Whoa.
लड़की
Kiara
का
looks
हसीन होना
mesmerizing.
कमाल है। उसी हुस्न को हथियार बना ले तो सारा बवाल है कितना लेती है
Oops.
Who the hell are you? I'm his regular. Who the hell are you? I'm his permanent.
Keep your mouth shut!
This was supposed to be my fucking fairy tale.
Oops. Oops. My god, he looks amazing.
I was hoping to have a civilized conversation.
What?
Do I look civilized to you?
Is it for real? Oh my goodness.
Hello, Daddy.
सब शांति से सुलझ जाता तो हजारों सालों से जंग क्यों होती है बे?
He's a total different character.
इसका अंजाम क्या होगा ये तुम जानते ही होगे।
It's time. I'm coming!
Be ready to battle chaos with chaos.
Yeah, it's a double role, it's a dual role.
कहती थी चेहरे पे ये क्या रंगे निकाल दे, तू जोकर नहीं बास्टर्ड है, बास्टर्ड।
पर हर फैसले की सही कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी।
Guys, what is this trailer? It's a father and son relationship. Alright, so that was the official teaser for Toxic. It was a 4-minute long trailer and it kept me entirely glued. The trailer looks promising. This is going to be a very interesting project. So, according to my thoughts, after the massive success of KGF Chapter 2, the easiest path for Yash would have been to choose the same commercial action cinema hero, but choosing Toxic feels like a genuine creative pivot. And I think collaborating with Geetu Mohandas is a very conscious decision. She comes from a background which gives a very strong character development and a very detailed storytelling. I am really excited to watch her perspective into a large scale Indian cinema now. So let's talk about the trailer. The way the trailer built the curiosity of showing the father and son relationship was a masterstroke in itself. It showed that how the kid was neglected starting from day one and has been through the reality of harsh life, and that is how he turned into someone who is very ruthless and hungry for blood. From what we saw, the production quality looks top tier, the sets look real and detailed, and the casting, oh my god, everyone was nailing the character. And let's talk about Huma Qureshi, guys. The intensity that she gave to the screen was insane, and I love how beautiful Kiara Advani looked. Her aura was magnetic and the screen presence was insane. And talking about Yash as a character, he looked dark, rugged, handsome, and absolutely magnifying. And talking about the dialogues, it seemed focused on quite intensity rather than the loud dialogues. And I feel that this movie is designed to appeal both the local audience and cinema fans globally who appreciate solid world-class action. For me, if this trailer reflects the final film, Toxic could easily set a new standard. There are some scenes of Toxic that are still stuck in my head. I just cannot wait to see the entire plot of the movie and what is the reason of this character development of Yash. And I'm happy that it did not clash with Durandar because movie like Toxic requires its own space. And I would love to hear your thoughts on this. Toxic has been surprising me from day one when I saw the character development of Yash. And I must say this movie is going to be very interesting and will keep the audience glued. And that is a wrap from my end. Thank you so much for tagging along. Do write in the comment section below what is the next video you want me to react on. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.